Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Duolingo. First, open the Duolingo app or navigate to the website. Once it's loaded, look for the flag icon, typically found in the top left corner of your screen. This flag visually represents the language you are currently learning. Tapping on this icon is your initial step to access the language settings and begin the process of switching your learning path. After tapping the flag icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Add Course. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of all the languages Duolingo offers. Scroll through and choose the specific new language you are eager to learn. Once you've made your selection, confirm it to officially add this new language course to your profile and start your learning journey. If you already have multiple language courses added, switching between them is straightforward. Simply tap the flag icon again, which is always located in the top left corner. This will reveal a list of all the language courses you are currently enrolled in. To change your active learning language, just tap on the one you wish to focus on. Duolingo will then immediately switch your interface and lessons to that chosen language. It's important to remember that Duolingo saves your progress for each language course independently. This means you can confidently switch between and learn multiple languages at the same time without any risk of losing your hard-earned progress in any single course. Typically, the Duolingo interface will automatically adjust to match the language you are currently learning, providing a fully immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.